welcome back to my channel. Yes, she's back. She's feeling good. She's feeling great, refreshed, and ready to go with this makeup look. I am giving you guys more of a brown eye vibe. I know we're about to hit winter soon, but I wanted to get this in so that way you guys can see how I got this look and maybe try it out for yourselves. I know it's been a while, but first of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and the support of all of my Halloween tutorials that I did of the month of October. It means so much to me, and I'm just so grateful for you guys for the support. I know those videos for me were very, very stressful just because I wanted to put out as much content as possible during the month of October leading up to Halloween, because sometimes whenever it's Halloween time, everybody is researching on what makeup looks to do for costumes or just to paint their face. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. And now that we're back better than ever, just had to take some time off so that way I could come back and give you guys some more toned down vibes, you know, because Halloween was crazy, a little crazy, but now we got it together, girl. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this pretty brown eyes makeup look. But before we do, don't forget, if you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. See, that's how you know it's been a while since I haven't done a video. But I will do the best that I can to upload every Thursday, if not Friday. I mean, I'm just trying to come back and get into a groove of a schedule that works out for me so that way I can upload videos for you guys. But I will do the best that I can, so please hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's just kick back, relax, and see how I got this makeup look. So the palette that I'm going to use today for the Pretty Brown Eyes eyeshadow is the Morphe 18T palette. You can tell she's like dirty. I hate like this type of packaging because whenever you touch it, it gets the palette dirty, and you can tell I haven't even used the colors that much in order for it to get to that level. But the colors that we're going to use is in the buff, which is this one right here, and we're going to use that all over the lid. So this is the type of makeup look that I normally do for when I want to do something kind of fast and easy. And especially for this time of the year where, you know, it's like fall, we're almost heading into winter. So this is my favorite type of look. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Pretty much I'm only going to be using like 2 colors on this palette. So ever since the Halloween tutorials, you guys noticed, well, maybe that I haven't uploaded in a while, and that's because I wanted to take a little bit of a break, especially from coming on into those Halloween tutorials, which, by the way, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you guys showed me and gave me. It means a lot to me. I put a lot of hard work into those tutorials. And I want to give a big shout out to all of the influencers that did do Halloween tutorials this year, because let me tell you, I know for damn sure next year I'm going to step it up, because I saw a few makeup tutorials for Halloween that some of my favorite influencers did, and I was like, oh my gosh, I freaking look like an amateur next to them. So definitely I am going to step it up. And for next year too, I'm not going to do so much tutorials because this was my first time, and I freaking love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday of the year, and I know that trick-or-treating wasn't good for this year, so that's why I wanted to do those tutorials, because just Halloween, you can definitely like come up with your creative side, and you can do stuff that's like out of your comfort zone. And those are the type of stuff that I like to do, because it brings out your artistic side, and it brings out a side that nobody ever sees, or you know, you just challenge yourself with that, and I really like it. So definitely next year, I think I'm gonna tone it down just a little bit and really take my time on what type of Halloween look I want to do, because that was really hard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was freaking hard. But again, I had so much fun doing it. Like, I wouldn't change it, honestly. I had the time of my life doing those videos. So I wanted to take a little bit of a break from it, and I'm going to take the next color, which is also Nude, and I'm going to use that as my blending crease, which is this one right there. But anyways, I wanted to take a little bit of a breather from those tutorials, and outside of that, also too, just to kind of come back into a creative process for me, because those Halloween tutorials, I'm telling you girl, it took a lot out of me. A lot of my time and a lot of my energy went into those videos. So I didn't just want to come back and not be mentally all the way there, you know. I just wanted to give myself a little bit of a breather and kind of just come back better than ever, because that's what we do. But nonetheless, I really did miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. I was prolonging this tutorial for a long time, but now I'm just like, all right. And the reason why I named this the Pretty Brown Eyes is because, well, I got influenced by none other than Alanized. If you don't know who he is, which I don't know how you don't know him, but you know me, like, that's really weird. But I love him so much. I love his videos, and he does a segment on his IG, on his Instagram, but he uploads it to his YouTube channel, and it's called Noche de Pendejadas. So it's like or Noche de Pendejas. I think that's what it is. Noche de Pendejas or Noche de I don't know, something like that. I'm sorry. But he does a little segment of it, and what he does, which, hold on, before I get into it, what's the next color? I'm gonna take Full Disclosure, that one, and use it as my highlighting one. But he interviews like influencers, a lot of influencers, especially from the Hispanic community, and he interviewed one, which, girl, when he interviewed this person, I was like, oh hell no, you're interviewing this person? Like, you made it if you've interviewed this person. And it was MC Magic. So if you don't know who MC Magic is, don't even talk to me, because that was back in the day my MySpace song. And if you don't know what MySpace is, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm going to take In the Buff, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower. Actually, I should take this brush. But he interviewed MC Magic, and he's saying sexy lady, and in the lyrics he says sexy lady with the pretty brown eyes, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to do a makeup look called Pretty Brown Eyes. So that's what I did, which I loved it. If you haven't seen that interview, you need to go to his channel and watch it, because MC Magic is also getting into the makeup industry, which is pretty cool, because he's coming up with makeup palettes that are influenced by all the #1 hit songs that he's had back in the day. And I'm just so excited. If you guys want me to I was about to say, if you guys want me to interview him, I wish. No, if you guys want me to review one of his makeup palettes, let me know. I'll try to see if I can get my hands on it. But yeah, I was so excited when he interviewed MC Magic. I was like, you are taking me back. So you guys really have to watch it. I saw it on his YouTube channel, because I know he uploads an extended interview version. That's what he said in his video. So That's how I get caught up with it. And I get so excited whenever he uploads it, because I'm like, yes, girl, like, you did it. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take the same thing, full disclosure, right here. Actually, Unveiled, to make it pop a little bit more. There we go. So you guys, I have been on a kick of makeup palettes, like it's disgusting. Like literally, I just got this makeup palette not too long ago in the mail. If you guys want me to review it, let me know in the comments down below. But it is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. All right, girl? Tell me these colors are not gorgeous. Like, what? What? They're cute. And I'm not really like a pink girl. Like, honestly, pink normally I don't ever gravitate towards, but for some reason this palette was just way too cute to pass up. I got it at Ulta, and then I also have been on a kick with mini palettes. I got 3 Juvia's Place mini palettes. The Nubian, the Nudes, and the Taupes. And I got them on sale on Ulta's website when this one I believe was $6 and then these were $8 at the time. So had to cop me one of these. So if you guys want to see some tutorials on these, let me know, because I'm really excited to try them out. All right, so off camera I'm just gonna finish up the rest of the face, and then we will come back and do the lips. So off camera I finished off the rest of the face, which everything will be listed down below. And I threw on my earrings because I forgot to wear them. So next thing is my favorite lip liner. Y'all already know it's Love by Morphe. So we're just gonna line our lips. Oh shoot. And then next, I'm going to take Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Driver, which I kind of like this formula. Like, I do like it, but at the same time, it's kind of sticky. But I love a color, so... it dries matte, but it has like a little bit of a stickiness to it. And if you run out on one side, you can use the other side. And I like the pointed tip, if you could see, for it, so that way you could use it as a lip liner if you don't have one. And I'm just gonna blend that with my finger. And then you can leave it like this, but me, you already know I am a sucker for gloss. I don't know why, I just love lip glosses lately. Before, I was so into mattes, like not nudging or anything like that, but I really do like lip gloss. And this one is Honey I'm Home from Dose of Colors. And this is the final look for the Pretty Brown Eyes makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will do the best that I can to come back on my grind and do my uploads for the makeup looks. It feels so good to be back. Let me know in the comments down below too what you guys want to see. Maybe it could be a mukbang, because honestly, I have been on a binge watching those for some reason. I don't know why. I just love mukbangs. If you guys want to see a mukbang, let me know in the comments down below, or whatever it is that you guys want to watch as far as makeup looks. Give me some ideas, something that you guys really would enjoy seeing. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, if you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. Until next time, te quiero mucho, mis amores. Mwah. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.